Okay, so we're working on a 2005 Infiniti FX 35, and we're going to change the belt. Sorry if you guys can't see it because of the sun. We're going to change this belt out. So this one, two tools you're going to need, which is a 14 millimeter, and the other one's a 12. The 14 is to loosen this up, and the 12 is underneath. Be very gentle with that one. You break that screw off, you're going to have to replace the whole pulley. Once you take that off, you can slide the belt off the pulley and pull the new one on. Remember how you take it off. It's over the power steering, underneath the alternator, over the pulley, underneath the crank, and then on top of the water pump. I'm not sure if you can see, but I'm going to try to get the video. Let's see. So that's what you're going to try to loosen up right there. That's the 14, and I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but that's the other one right there. Just counterclockwise to loosen it up. I'm going to pause the video, take the belt off, and see how that one goes.